In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to process documents with Microsoft Office. Our first tool will be Microsoft Word, and on its screen, these are the main areas you should know about offhand. We will discuss between 1 and 5 tools at a time, depending on complexity and the area of the ribbon we are covering. The red box highlights the font group within the ribbon in Word's Home tab. Here's what each part does. Font name with text Calibri body changes the typeface of selected text. Font size with the number 11 changes how big or small the selected text is. Increase font size with the letter A, and an upward arrow bumps text up to the next larger size with one click. Decrease font size with the letter A, and a downward arrow shrinks text down to the next smaller size with one click. Font practice assignment. Record your screen with OBS Studio while doing this task. Type your name, then a sentence about your hobby, 2 lines total. Select your name. Change font to Times New Roman, size 20. Select the hobby sentence. Change font to Calibri, size 14. Use the increase font size button to bump the hobby sentence up to 16. Use the decrease font size button to bring it back down to 12. Save as font practice your name and submit your video.